Hello again, super friends. I am back at home diving into my homework. And today I don't have to practice with exercises, but I already wrote a text for my teacher. And I really need to ensure that there are no mistakes at all related to the object pronouns. Remember? Those words we use when we don't want to be repeating the subjects over and over, such as me, you, him, her, it, us, or them, okay? Here's my text. Let me tell you about my exciting day. Early in the morning, my teacher Sarah gave my... Hey, wait, hold on. Here, there's a mistake. Yes, the object pronoun here should be me, not my. Yes, I need to change that letter. Y for E. Thank you. Sarah gave me a challenging task, and during class, I asked him, Again, a mistake. My teacher is a girl, Sarah. So it cannot be the personal pronoun he. I asked her if she could explain it to me again. Fortunately, she helped me understand. At lunchtime, I shared my sandwich with my friends, Paul and Lucas, because their parents forgot to give No, wait, it doesn't sound good. To give them theirs. All right, now it's okay. Later at home, my little brother and I played soccer. Our parents called us. Me too, yes, called us for dinner very soon. Now it's okay. Oh, guys, I hope you really learned how to use the object pronouns with us. Goodbye.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready to keep working with the object pronouns? All right, so see that the first activity we need to find them, right? We really need to find where are the object pronouns. But first of all, let's remember them. The first one is me, okay? Give me the last slice of pizza. Then you, then him, her, you again, us, and them. All right? These are the object pronouns, and we need to find them here. So come on, let's take a marker. I'm going to take this one, and let's find where are the object pronouns. Okay, me, I have it here. Like me is here. Then let's see where are the other object pronouns. Let's go for you. Here, you. Great. Okay, we have them. Now let's go for him. Okay, for him. Him. Not him, but her. I found her. Okay. And where is him? Where is him? Him here. Great. Now let's go for us, because you it's already here. Let's go for us. 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 Here, us. And finally, we need them. Them. So let's just start finding a T, TH, 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 not around, TH, not around, TH, here, them. Great! Okay, and now let's go for the last part of the activity, the second part actually. And here we have different sentences. I'm going to take, let's put the marker here. I'm going to take the pen and read with me. Tom has a new toy. Tom is a boy, okay? A boy, not a girl. Tom has a new toy. Can you show, for boys, what is the right pronoun? Him. Can you show Tom how it works? Can you show him? Okay, can you show him? Yes, I can, okay? That is the first one. Let's go for the second one. Sarah, a girl, Sarah loves playing games. Oh, she loves playing games. Let's invite Sarah to join us, but I don't want to repeat Sarah. I need an object pronoun. For a girl, it's her. So let's invite her to join us. Let's keep going. Look at that cute puppy. Look at that cute puppy. I want to pet. This is a new one. Yes, it's the less common one to use. And it's not for people, but for objects, animals, and places. So look at that cute puppy, the dog. The dog is not a boy, not a girl, it's an animal. For animal, it. I want to pet it, okay? And finally, again, Tom. Tom likes cookies, and mom always bakes for him. We have him twice, okay? So let's just write here, because Tom is the subject, all right? So to not repeat Tom again, we just write him. Yes? Well done.